Do you want to earn real money while playing games? If yes, then you are at the right place. Welcome to the world of Treasure Tiles, a traditional tile solitaire game, but with a delightful twist. This isn't just about arranging tiles and solving puzzles, it's about earning real cash while doing so. Yes, you heard it right. You can win real cash just by playing this game and beating tile levels. With over 100,000 downloads and glowing reviews, boasting a stellar rating of 4.6 stars, Treasure Tiles has captivated both beginners and seasoned puzzle enthusiasts. The game offers a variety of tile puzzles and challenges that not only test your skills, but also reward your accomplishments with real money. And the fun doesn't stop there. New challenges and features are added regularly to keep your gaming experience fresh and engaging. Now, you must be wondering, how do you play this game and win real cash? Let's dive right into it. Treasure Tiles is a game designed to captivate both beginners and seasoned puzzle enthusiasts. This tile solitaire game is not just about fun and brain training, it's also about winning real cash. Yes, you heard that right. By beating tile levels, you can actually earn real money. Here's how it works. Firstly, you'll be presented with a board filled with tiles. Each tile has a unique symbol or design. Your task is to match these tiles and clear them from the board. You can only remove a pair of tiles if they are identical and if they can be connected by a line that turns no more than 2 corners. Sounds easy, right? But it's not as simple as it seems. You'll need to strategize and plan your moves carefully. As you progress through the game, the tile puzzles become more complex and challenging. But don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. There are numerous power-ups and boosters available to help you out. For instance, you can use the Shuffle booster to rearrange all the tiles on the board, or the Hint booster to show you a possible match. And here comes the most exciting part: the bonus level tile puzzles. These are not just any ordinary puzzles, they are real cash games. If you manage to solve these bonus level puzzles, you'll win real money. The more puzzles you solve, the more cash you can earn. Facing these challenges and overcoming them not only sharpens your brain, it also fills your pockets. So, the game is not just about entertainment, it's also about earning. Remember, each level of Treasure Tiles brings a new challenge and a new opportunity to win real cash. So don't hesitate to take on these challenges. The rewards are worth every bit of effort. As you can see, each level brings a new challenge and brain training. But the best part, you can earn real cash while sharpening your brain. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to turn your gaming time into earning time. With Treasure Tiles, you get to challenge your brain and your skills while having the chance to earn real cash. It's not just about winning, it's about engaging your mind, having fun, and getting rewarded for it. With over 100,000 downloads and an impressive average rating of 4.6 stars, Treasure Tiles has proven to be a favorite among puzzle enthusiasts worldwide. It's a game that pays you, but more than that, it's a game that keeps you coming back for more. Regular updates introduce new challenges and features, ensuring your gaming experience never gets stale. So why not take the plunge? Dive into a world of tile puzzles, boosters, and potential rewards. Download Treasure Tiles. Win cash today and embark on your journey through challenging puzzles and the chance to earn real rewards. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.